Not long ago, gardeners started their season with their own soil, compost and practical wisdom, not a trip to the garden centre. They knew the secret wasn't in feeding plants, but in nurturing the soil itself. Today, convenience has replaced connection, and results are often just adequate. I've seen the difference. A plant in old-fashioned soil grows faster, stronger and more vibrant than one in commercial mix. This isn't about expensive secrets, it's about getting the basics right. Before the modern garden industry, gardeners were soil makers, cultivating a living environment underground. Plants then largely took care of themselves. The key is shifting from feeding plants to nurturing soil, a living ecosystem, not an inert substance. Relying on sterile, uniform products puts plants on life support, dependent on constant feeding. The old way creates a self-sustaining partnership between plant and soil. Rediscovering this method unlocks a more productive, rewarding garden. We focus on leaves and flowers, but real growth starts at the roots. Roots are the engine room. If they're happy, the plant thrives. Roots need water, nutrients, and most importantly, air. Plant roots breathe. Compacted or waterlogged soil suffocates them. That's why drainage is crucial. Healthy soil is open and friable, holding moisture but draining excess. Beneath the surface, microbes break down organic matter into nutrients roots can absorb. Sterile soil can't do this. The goal isn't just to feed plants, but to create an environment rich in air, water and microbial life. When these conditions are met, roots expand rapidly. This fuels explosive growth above ground. It's a harmonious system, healthy soil, thriving plants. The best soil mix is simple. 3 equal parts. First, good quality compost, the nutritional heart full of slow-release nutrients and beneficial microbes. Second, loose soil. Topsoil from your garden or a bag, providing structure and minerals. Third, a coarse material for aeration, sand, grit, or small charcoal pieces. This keeps the mix open, prevents compaction, and ensures roots can breathe. Sand or grit adds stability. Charcoal holds nutrients and supports microbes. Each part plays a vital role. This mix is easy, affordable, and time-tested. It creates the perfect environment for roots to thrive. The result, healthier, more resilient plants. If this mix is so effective, why isn't it standard advice? Simple. It's not profitable. The gardening industry thrives on selling convenience, bags of sterile peat-based compost and endless fertilizers. This model creates dependency, not self-sufficiency. The old wisdom was replaced because it was too effective and affordable. It empowered gardeners but didn't fit the commercial narrative. Today, aisles of products obscure the simple principle: build living soil. The immediate benefit of living soil is healthier, faster-growing plants. Robust roots mean greater resilience to pests, disease and drought. Compost and soil act as a reservoir, holding water and releasing it as needed. Aeration prevents soggy roots and supports drought resistance. Living soil removes much of the guesswork. Nutrients are released naturally and mistakes are less fatal. Each year, as you add compost, the soil improves. You move from depletion to enrichment. Real, lasting success comes from the living earth beneath your feet.